comment about what I'm doing, strictly at the fundamental level. So this is just real-time play and comment. Let's play a couple of hands, see what happens. This is good if you're just learning bid, just learning bridge, trying to get a little better understanding of what's going on around the table. If you're at this level, this book could be helpful for you. It starts out by teaching just how to play bridge, but gets into some pretty good subjects by the end of it. Even if you already know how to play bridge, definitely recommend reading it. I'll be using SACY, Standard American Yellow Card System. And this is a set of conventions typically used by average players in North American. This card, example card, is available at the ACBL website. Download it, have a look. My very, very quick bridge lesson, points ranges. I like to illustrate points ranges. Your bidding is telling your partner points ranges as much as it's telling them, more than it's telling them suits. So what you're trying to do is trying to find game, trying to find out your partner's points range from their bidding, add your points, figure out how to adjust for shape, and if you have enough points, go for game. Otherwise, get in there and compete. My best advice for that. Let's go to a suit. So here we have an advanced player. Let's see how this goes. I've got 10, 13, 17 high card points and a 6-card spade suit. And a new partner. So this is your basic SACY description right here as well. So this is a whopper of a hand, really? Again, what do I... So where I count 17? I don't know. I can't count. 10, 15, plus no clubs. So 15, 16, 17, 18 in spades. Right? So all I need is 7 points from partner. So we'll go right up to 4 spades. Because partner has 6 to 10. Chances are they have at least 7. And they're supporting my spades. And I've got 6 of them. And I've got aces in the other suits. So I'll have to look at this hand carefully. But let's see what happens. So, all right. Partner's got 2 kings over there in the unbid suits. Now I'm going to just throw a round of spades out here just to pull them out. Pull out what I get. I'm just going to lose and get 2 out. Probably a bad idea. Yeah, all around bad play so far. I really don't like the way I played that. Really, I'm thinking... Now I'm regretting letting a jack win when I had such good cards over here. Right. And that king is still out. I'm going to lose the king. I'm going to lose the ace. I'm going to go down. Right. So that part where I said, let me see, I let the jack win, and that jack was not a winner. Right? That jack would have fallen on the first trick. And here I am in pretty bad shape. With another heart loser. And nothing I can do about it. So this is a good lesson in how not to play. goodness. Alright, let's take that heart loser now. Well, probably... No, we don't. We can't count. Okay. Fortunately for us, we got lucky. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, very lucky. So there's a good lesson in taking your time, not talking while you're playing. Whatever. Anyway, keep at it. Don't give up. Right? Do get disgusted with yourself. And move on to the next hand. And whatever one thing you can be sure of in bridge, there'll always be a next hand. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 high card points. So here we could talk about rule of 20. I got 10, and I've got my two longest suits add up to 9. That's 19. Rule of 20 says if I have 20, I should bid. I didn't. So yeah, it worked out good for us. Look at this. We've got 12 imps for that. They missed the bidding on that one. They had what do we had over here? Yeah, there was West. West. I don't know what happened over there in West. All right. What do we have here? 12, 13, 14 high card points. So let's bid. We have a 4-card club suit and a 4-card spade suit. Everything pretty evenly distributed. Definitely a 1-club bid. 1 spade, 1 heart. We don't have 4 hearts. We do have 4 spades. Partner could have 4 spades. And we got ourselves a 2 diamond bid. So what do we do here? So this is an overcall, clearly. Oh. And what if I pass, what's partner going to do? Partner could go back to my clubs. Partner could bid spades. I'm going to pass. Partner could bid no trump. I have a stopper in diamonds, so I could bid no trump. This is kind of a hard question here. And they're getting it together in the diamonds, though. Partner has a strong hand, takes me back to clubs. So my passing is effectively telling partner, well, I don't have your hearts, so I have other suits. And so what do I want to do here? You know, so basically I don't have your hearts, but I have other suits, meaning it's okay to go ahead and support my clubs. Partner's taking me up to 4 clubs. Do I want to go to 5 clubs? Well, what are we dealing with here? 6 and 6 is 12, 13, 14, 15. I need 11, 12 points. I need an opening hand in South. All right? I don't think they have. Partner has an opening hand. I think partner has a good hand, but not an opening hand. I'm hoping partner's got some aces over there, right? Mm-hmm. All right, forcing me to play my king, setting up the queen, so... All right, now about those clubs. Now we need the ace here. We don't have it. We do now have a king. Well, that was interesting. Are we getting a diamond here? Yeah, wow. So West has no clubs. I did set them with the must have a lot of diamonds. I'm afraid the ace is going to take my king. Yeah, that's a shame. But we did set them by one, and I can go low here and force the king out. And here comes some more of those diamonds. So again, no clubs in the West. That heart is good. Yeah. And I'm afraid a lot of those hearts are on. Probably the rest of the tricks belong to West here. Oh, no, okay. Didn't keep track of the Jack of Hearts. All right. So no hearts, no clubs, so diamonds and spades. Yeah. See if we can get one more trick in spades here. Yeah, so, well, yeah. West has diamond and spade. Was that the last diamond? Is this last spade good? Yes. Very nice. So 2 down doubled. All right. So if they don't have it, don't let them give you that nonsense, right? Either South was bidding strong, right? But going 4 clubs, South's like, we've got points over here, and in fact South had 10 high card points, right? And I've got all those kings. South has to have a couple of aces to go with my kings. So we've got room to double, and that served us well. 8, 9 high card points and a 6 card diamond suit. This is a preemptive diamond bid. All right, a 6 card suit, 2, 3 honors, side suit control, right? We can stop the hearts. We can lose 4 tricks over there in spades and clubs. Definitely a good preemptive bid. It's not going to do much for us, though. East overcalls with 2 hearts. We'll see. You might have messed up their bidding and kept them from game, but who knows? That's the point of the preemptive bidding, is to keep opponents from getting easily finding their natural contract, So it kind of helps to mess up their contract. South leads with a queen of clubs. So what does that mean? No diamonds? I don't know what that means. And we let this go around. 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 4 more diamonds out there. And we got South got a heart trick. Good on them. All right. Still must have a lot of clubs or something. Just must be looking for that void in my clubs. I don't know. Well, that was a queen jack, right? High low. Mystery to me what that was all about. At this point, I'm going to play low. I'm going to hold on to that ace. Yeah. So that's 8 hearts played. It's well, I don't know. Let's see. 8 hearts played. I've got a 9th heart. 4 more hearts out there. West has left the table. East leads a diamond. Ooh, very interesting. sets up the king. Nicely done. Right, that's all the diamonds. I've got the last, the 9 on the dummy. I've got covered with my 10. Okay, I can beat that 9. No, I can't. I don't want to beat my own partner's own ace. Let's see what partner has to play. More clubs still. Oh, look at that. Oh, that was nice. And is that the 13th club? What we're going to do is throw a diamond on this at any rate. We're expecting, yeah, here comes a heart. So 3 more hearts out there, if I'm counting correctly. Mm-hmm. 2 more hearts. There we go. 1 more heart. And it is mine. And we set them. All right. So, yeah. East bid 2 hearts on a 4 heart hand. That was absurd. So, yeah, that deserves to be set. What was East's bid? If anything, I bid diamond, so East could have doubled because they've got at least 3 in every other suit. There's 10, 11, 12 high card points, the weak doubleton there, but enough to open. Let's go ahead and open, and we will go ahead and play 1 more hand since we're doing well here. One club, 1 heart. I've got a stopper and diamonds to no trump. Three spades, nice. So that's a definite invitation to game. And let's see if we have 4 spades. Well, what are we dealing with here? Kind of aggressive by partner, but I like it. I like it. This is going to be a tough hand to play. Now, we definitely got spades covered. We've got the diamond. South has lost 2 tricks already. Oh, here we go. Now they just led right into now they just led right into us. So that's a beautiful thing right there. So South has, that's it, right? I mean, right, we need to do some cross roughing. But if we have lucky distribution, the cross roughing will be set 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1 more spade out there. South, what are you going to do about those hearts? Right, you really needed to cross rough one of them, I think. Yeah, this looks like a hand for analysis. Rasputin has let down their hair and is now realizing, so what have we got here? Can we count hearts? Not well, that's for sure. Right? So now South has a diamond and a heart loser, but you can't afford 2 more losers. And I have not been keeping track of how many hearts have been played, but I suspect, let's see if that 10 is the 13th heart. Is the 10 the 13th heart? That is the 10. Is the 6 of hearts the 13th heart? And I can't keep track. And it is not. And we are down 1. All right. So I think that hand was doable. But I think it wasn't. 1, it was bid poorly. 2, it was there was some issues with the play. So first off, let's just look at double dummy. So double dummy says we should go +1, not -1 on that. Now, that doesn't mean any normal human should go +1, but let's just have a look at it. I was pretty excited to see the 4 spades. I'm not sure I was all that happy with the bid, but why not? Let's look at that first. So I bid 1 club, pass 1 heart. So really, that's a mistake right there. Bidding up the line, you only bid up the line if you have the same count in both suits. So if I had 4 hearts as south and 4 spades, I would bid 4 hearts. But if I've got 5 spades, bid the 1 spade first, right? And what do we got? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 high card points ish in a singleton. So we've got a pretty strong hand here, especially in the majors. 2 diamonds by West. So West is actually coming on with a strong hand, bidding the long high suit diamond suit first, and makes sense. 2 no trump on me. I could bid 2 spades there. I was thinking about it. Which is the correct one? Honestly, I don't know. Find yourself a bridge pro and ask them, right? What's that situation? You'll probably get a more complicated answer than you want to, but if you continue to visit that bridge pro, you might eventually come to understand what the decision-making process was there. I had a stopper and diamonds. I just went for the no trump. That's all. They bid the hearts. I thought, well, maybe we're talking about no trump here. And my hand and 2 spades would really be kind of a reversal-ish, though it's not a reversal since opponents have bid. But my hand was really too weak, and I wanted to kind of show the 2 no trump. Whatever. South goes 3 spades, so South is not happy. South does have 3 diamonds, but South has more strength in a suited hand than a non-suited hand. Well, then pass. Then I get to, 3 spades to me. So you've got spades and you're willing to rebid as responder over my no trump bid. Well, we are in 4 spades. I'm counting you. I'm counting you 12 some odd points there, and hearts to help make my queen good. So yeah, 4 spades, right? So like I said, regardless of their lead, except for a low club, we should be making 1 over. All right. So what do we get there? An ace of diamonds. All right. Next. And an ace of clubs. Next. And a 3 of hearts. GIB says a 3 of hearts. Yeah, don't know what that's about. Yeah. Leading to what South has bid as a good suit. I would probably rather throw another club there, but whatever. What should be played here? Doesn't really matter. Queen, king. All right, GIB says take it with the ace. Makes sense. All right, now what does GIB say do? Playing trump or playing that heart or even playing The diamond is good. And partner chooses to draw some trump. Now what? Anything but a diamond is a good lead. And partner chooses to draw some more trump. So 7, 8, 9. So now at this point, this is where I said, look, partner, you need to think about your hand. All right? Because what have we got here? They've taken 2 tricks, right? East-West has taken 2 tricks. You can only afford to lose one more trick. The only short trick you have is that king of diamonds. Yeah? And the jack, I guess, of hearts. And it's interesting that the 10 was there. But so 1, 2, good tricks. 1, 2, 3 losers. Interesting, huh? So 3 losers, 2 tricks. How are you going to make up for those 3 losers? Well, hearts leads to be cross-ruffed, right? That's what I said. So instead of playing, right, there it is. There's the heart. And I want you to cross-ruff the heart. Now you can make the trick by playing taking another spade. Well, let's go ahead and do that. And now let's see what the mistake is. So the mistake now is not any more spades, but we can make it. But here comes that heart. Now I don't think that's that good. So that heart's good. Right? Now what? Now you can still make it cross-ruffing, right? But it's the diamond. Well, so let's have a look. There's a diamond. Now you've got to take it with the 10. And for some reason, even though we got the jack and we need the 10, we throw the good king away. So what was that about? Not the king. All right, queen's over here. Just a blunt, just a major error right there. And now you're down 1. And really nothing you can do about that at this point, right? I think at this point, so yeah, that was just a flat out mental error. Pay attention to what's going on there, right? Where am I now? So at this point, we can make her go down 1. I'm going to go back here and make her down 1. I'm going to go back here. Here we can still go +1. Right? And what is that? So we have taken all the trump but 1. We've drawn all the trump but 1. And we know we've got a jack winner. And we know we've got a king winner. Not only that, well, so why do we took the king because we didn't know the queen was over here, right, before. But so you have to take the finesse. But instead of worrying about finesses, let's start working on cross-ruffing, right? That's what I'm saying. So we go here, and doesn't matter. We know the jack is good, right? And doesn't matter. Right? Now what do we want to do? Cross-ruff. Because the hearts are over here. We know there's no hearts over here. And so we can sit there and take advantage of that fact. All right, now we need to get back over here to hand. So we could do that with a club easily. All right. And we're going to cross-ruff that last heart, and we're going to come back around with this club. And we're going to take that last spade. Whoa. We're definitely putting the squeeze on him there, aren't we, huh? Right. Now we're going to, it doesn't matter which one we play here. I would probably personally play the jack. If it's ducked, we let it go. But either way, now it also comes back down to finessing that queen of diamonds. But look, we could also just, right, take the king and make the contract. Finesse be darned. Right? So there's a good lesson to be learned, right? And what is that? That is that you know you can cross ruff, even though there's a spade out there in the east. You especially know you can cross ruff because you know where the spade is and you know where the hearts are, and so you can take advantage of those facts, right? Let us see if we can prove that. Let's just go around one more time. So this is what has happened. One trick, two tricks, right? And there's a heart trick. We take the spade, and now we don't want to do any more spades, right? We want to start working on those hearts. We come around, we take a good heart, we find out, yeah, everything we need to know right there, right? We know that West doesn't have the hearts. We know the East has the last spade and the last remaining hearts. So we're good to go with cross ruffing these last two hearts and guaranteeing that we only have one loser left. As soon as we cross ruff with the 2 and the 2, then we get back over here. So like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, whatever. And back around here. We know that queen's good. And now we suck it to them. Take that last spade. We could go +1 if we were balls, if we wanted to go all out here. But mind you, we don't have any trumps. So this is either get double or up +1 or down 1, or just make the contract. Let's just go for just make the contract, right? And that's what happens, and that's what should have happened in that hand. So you got to realize when you're coming up short, and you need special, right? You need special consideration. And where does that special consideration come in? Let's look at this hand. Right? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sure winners. 6. And then after, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So where are we now, right? We've got 1 trick, 6 tricks, 7, 8. We need 2 more tricks. We're even looking at that, we've lost 2 tricks and we've got 3 losers here. So, right, what is that? That's down 2 if we're not careful. If we have no idea what we're doing. All right, so definitely at some point, if not the beginning, certainly after the 2 aces come out, realize the situation you're in and think about, how do I play this in a what do you call it, non-standard style, and in sort of a different style, right? How do I play this so that I can win, right? Especially that I can guarantee my win, right? And that is to start thinking about, how am I going to get rid of these losers? What losers do I have? 2 hearts and a diamond. And I have short hearts over there in dummy. So there's a great opportunity to get rid of those 2 heart losers. And that's, that's really where your mind should have gone right there. I'm repeating myself at this point, but, so it goes. Hopefully this was helpful. Take care. Bye-bye now.